thinking, oh, what I'm gonna be, you know. I started to look at they were all different. It was like, you know what, I had a started when I was first kid. But when they were like, you know, like I had my towels, like this was for the blessing from the
Tandeka, request cigarettes, yeah? That's the main girl, yeah. Request. Yeah, say you can't go outside, yo. Tandeka. Tandeka. Say you can't cope without the cigarettes, yo.
What the best man, come on, dog. I'm not saying about, dog. We are talking about other two people.
Too much. So you just have to accept that.
But
yeah,
she has accepted it.
I've accepted
She
it.
has accepted it. I feel like for you to fight peace.
Did you see I
just
tried to
accept it.
approach she was to fight alone?
No one is forced.
Sometimes you go, yeah, but the thing is,
someone else would have tried to fight and then it would have become something big. But because
sometimes
you know
but maybe you can also say something, guy. Okay?
No, I do. I do, but that's why sometimes it's a thing of like, hey,
no, she has a
I
fighting
don't
spirit
think they
also.
need to know.
She has a fighting spirit.
Exactly.
Yeah.
She's just that
fighting
person.
spirit.
She's not that person. She's a girl actually. More
No,
than
she is.
Yeah.
But also, even she's very intelligent. You can see that. But you can't also see things your way only.
Sometimes it's wrong to be over intelligent.
Exactly.
But that is why she's also taking meds, guys.
Yeah.
She's too clever.
It's too much.
Sometimes to be
She
over
takes meds,
intelligent.
baby.
it's the problem.
It's a crime itself. Because now you can't let people be. You just want people to be like you, think like you.
Yeah.
Just allow people to be dumb. Let us be
Yeah.
dumb.
Yeah.
And that's why.
We can't be smart.
That's how I come across.
But you're not dumb though. No, you're not dumb. I can see when she speaks, I can see your face actually. And you also just let it be.
Yeah.
Now Melly, and you know this, Melly.
Yeah.
When she talks, I look at you.
Yeah.
And then you always do this. Melly does this. He just does it. It's not
Even
actually
yesterday it all started. No?
Yeah.
For me, it wasn't all she very good.
But are they fine now?
Yeah? No, they're not. Oh,
I'm not talking about her and Emma. They
No,
don't
no,
ever be
no,
fine.
no, no,
I'm talking about her and Rwanda.
No. Nah, she doesn't want anything.
But they're partners, so.
Exactly, and that's what she was.
She's gonna be a dumb.
And there's the thing: when people see her cry, people think that she's crying because of the people. No, she's crying because of the aftermath. That's like, yeah. There's a lot of things that
You all be looking for
I saw this thing and I was like, so yeah, it's just a lot.
This mosquito big.
Shut the fuck up. Is that even a mosquito? I don't think that was a mosquito.
Yeah, no, say it. What do you want to say? Say it.
I've been looking at
It took his eyes.
yeah, man. I've been like trying to know it, but I can tell that this small spider is sitting to her like this. I'm like, but let me just let it stay. Let it
You don't even share. I don't like spiders. Spiders and
I know that's
Yo, I saw with the months.
Shady troopers, listen, we need to talk about Bravo B and Melly because finally Bravo did what we've all been waiting for. He stepped up to Melly, but he kept it classy and he kept it cool. And he basically asked Melly Uguti, my brother, why are you sitting like you are a stage while Tandega is, moving like a loose cannon? That confrontation, it wasn't like mhlambe Melly is being a hater or being jealous. He was just being concerned about a friend yakhe. He wanted to know why Melly sometimes doesn't pull her aside, and when he start becoming an absolute annoyance to the entire house. And nizwile i-response kaMelly ukuthi sometimes ngiyazama but sometimes kunzima, it's so hard for me to do that. And he actually even went further to say, when he cries after everything is done, it's not about the people, it's about the aftermath. But if you're gonna cry about the end results, why don't you fix, the middle of the situation? Okay, listen to people when they tell you. If you can listen to other people and then see things, differently, or just agree to disagree correctly, then you won't be crying for the aftermath. Why are you crying? What are you learning even after the aftermath? It shouldn't go there. Ukuthi uzoyisola ubusuyakhala manje, and Thandeka, my honey, your energy, siyayithanda, it's top tier. Okay, we love the confidence, but maybe, just maybe, listen to your man when he's trying to tell you to dial, it back before you exhaust everyone's last nerve. Okay, just dial it back. Just it. And perspective kalwana kaDube, it's so funny. Dube uthi, you know what? Just go with the flow and just accept her as she is. Really, Dube? Really? Do we go with the flow? Is what you I mean, going with the flow is what you say when a pipe bursts, not when a human being is testing everyone's sanity. And the big question is, how long can one human being actually endure this behavior before they snap? Okay. And I was trying to check Umeli ulterior motives to be with Thandeka. Maybe we can just unpack that. Is Meli a victim, a genius, or just a man in love? We can just look at this. Maybe it's a strategy. And if it's a strategy, is he sticking close to her because she is lightning rod for attention? Being her handler keeps him in everyone's conversation and every edit. If it's a strategy, it's a calculated move to stay relevant. Or maybe he's a knight in shining armor. Does he genuinely think he is the only one who can save Uthandeka or protect her from herself? It's giving I can fix her vibes, and we all know how that usually ends. Or is it true feelings? Just pure unadulterated chemistry. Maybe he actually likes chaos. Male. But at the end of the day, Meli is playing a very dangerous game. You can only go with the flow for so long before you drown. Thandeka is a star, but even stars need to stay in their orbit occasionally. So cast your vote, okay? Join the conversation and tell us if Meli is a strategic genius playing the long game, or is he just a love-struck puppy who lost his backbone? Drop a brain, okay? A brain emoji for strategy, or a heart for true feelings if the comment, in the comments right now. And Thandeka tribes, darlings, your hair laid to perfection, and that glow is undeniable. But the fans are divided. Are you team let her be herself, or team read the room? Let me know on the comment section what you think. Okay, and don't sleep on the drama button. Please subscribe, okay, follow, and hit that notification bell so you are the first to know when we unpack the next blow up. Share this with that one friend of yours that you know is exactly like Thandeka. You know that one friend. Let's see if they recognize their behavior and tag us in your theories. Okay? Because the streets are talking and we want to hear your voice. Comment and comment and comment. And please don't skip the ads because you are assisting the channel financially and otherwise. Until the next video, stay shady and stay curious.